Let's go right to the point on how to install PHP. Open your web browser and go to the official PHP website, php.net. Scroll down and click on the link for the version you wish to install. Choose the installer under Windows Downloads. Wait for the download to finish. Then extract the zip file to a folder and follow my steps. Add PHP to path. Press Win plus S. Search for Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path, then click Edit. Add the path to your PHP folder. To verify installation, you can open Command Prompt, then type the following command, phpv. You should see PHP 8.3 X. Done.